Tagalog to English translation. Napakabuti mong tao. You're such a good person. Hindi ko sinabi yan. I didn't say that. Nandito pa rin ako. I am still here. Aalamin natin. Let's find out. Bakit mo ba ginagawa ito? Why are you doing this? Hindi ako sigurado. I am not sure. Hindi mo kailangan magpaliwanag. You don't need to explain. Alam ko ang ginagawa ko. I know what I'm doing. Paano mo ako nakilala? How do you know me? Maraming salamat at ginawa mo yon. Thank you so much for doing that. Nakakainip manatili sa bahay. Staying at home is boring. Natutuwa akong makita ka. I'm glad to see you. Marami akong iniisip. I have a lot on my mind. Madami ka nang nagawa para sa akin. You did so much for me. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. That's what I wanted to tell you. Ano na ang gagawin natin ngayon? What are we going to do now?